8 birds that eat snakes. 1. Secretary bird. Originally from Africa, this bird employs powerful kicks and sharp beaks to slay venomous snakes in open savannas. 2. Crested caracal. Native to the Americas, this opportune hunter preys on reptiles, such as snakes, with its pointed beak and excellent vision. 3. Brown snake eagle. A genuine snake expert of Africa, it strikes venomous and non-venomous snakes alike with strong talons and sharp attacks. 4. Short-toed snake eagle. Reputed for catching snakes in flight, this eagle possesses outstanding vision and tough scales on legs for defense. 5. Roadrunner. This North American speed bird attacks small snakes, such as rattlesnakes, with swift strikes and assistance from its partner. 6. Red-tailed hawk. Widespread in North America, it attacks many different snakes, diving down with strong talons to seize and kill them. 7. Great horned owl. Active at night, it sneaks up on snakes and quietly kills them, employing powerful talons and exceptional. 8. Kingfisher. Some species. Some kingfishers, such as the collared kingfisher, have been observed to catch small snakes within wetland areas using speed and accuracy. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.